Feminist at the basketball come at the Bremo, then Apoku PSA, Ewo Fia, Endra, any ana pay, and a Gusua can efa a year GS, and a Wayak Hons and Semnano. Open look Mesa Casa na pay, efa a year in Semno, and the Omo who Susu say, a year wasi, in so her Kosui, Scooby, Enya Pombebo, a year near Busana said, didn't our casa. Ochechire mu baby nso ka se dachi asemnti aha anase na no de esiye nti ena eye wayek4 ena eye gs4 e de sa won no e de abase school na school so bobo no apo e wo moni so aha nti sisi ade omunja ma omunye sa enti ebegusu abo ho nkomo kakra kakra sa no sia na ekoso Sompa news akofa news at 6
study amrano sian muntie yase wadu sis wadu pa a man will be for the sum of the money to no trespassing all prosecuted constitution law article 4 obana task wa femen ko ho me somebody dominantem say go yi trespassing.
Sema na ekọ so a release gs e de buy mu sa na promotion so to aso ora look mensa e kasaye yentie ora look mensa nsem ne kakra yewi a na mama na akwa aba
ansana krata wi beba abonten no ni ogidie yese na mpanimfo de wanso atotofa ntina woka asem wi na ekoba na sanso a wa ekifo metre mpanimfo a wohwe nso no so no the yoma go akwam a headmaster for and headmistress our school also the yoma go akwam said the day or how be uncle to candidates no say you travel on so how all you wanna say it will do on results more AB public schools in the now on centers no war do na one kasa one school na private schools in the ebi o ha ye twenty one ka center bi ho no akwa akotro or center ho nke ba ni say centers ho so na mpanimfo he say ahobambo no be kosoro o so gani tro ni mi e fa nkrata no ho se bonivia emma mpanimfo FBB intina or the same way ababo ntin one kind of kwasa let me say schools no doors inti mpanimfo be kasa same way na me say if you move public akoso e bia na BBS pen and I say afi so e ba this year enyensi ye na watia na no so ni na e ba ni say na say stakeholders no obia ada no ho so e mofra chechefo exams council for so akohwe so fe no so obia ada no ho so.
Okay, we ensama eye ora lookmensa e de to dwa eye anapei e wo ade ache bia Sompa so na mo akwa ba bibia akoye de
oh nyame adom
nyame ase e dey am ase ebusuafo ho ye
obi aho ye
yeah
obi aho ye
okay ora lukmen sa den sema tudwa endra ntechema na wo pe no o de bitudwa na me hu se aden otie ora lukmen sa kasema private schools do na entworo ewo ayomu school
Sompa FM
do mo koto e do mo keka other public schools ho so why the red light
chama manager maminchia chama damta chama Bartolomeo
I don't know the way as I say
that means that who the odi chama no po
ana bibia na aya wo pese o de o cause problem
that be the only
we asem ebusa ye fa ye Bartolomeo
oh that be me chia e friend say MPP mpanimfo
asem ya wo
na no mentimi hunu sa menkasa chama Bartolomeo na se chama damta
na ne de fa ho be mebusa wasem se lukmen sa asem bibia na me
pese me court me contempt because I no court nti pese me hunu se say the only constituency you get two chairman no
na ana ya wo
we do Monday we do Tuesday we do Wednesday as a weekends go no munni
wow
this are not chama damta dinner Monday na Bartolomeo dinner Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday weekends no kwa na say chairmanship position in Yedmo Sunyani ha you see nti me chia me ntimu sa me chia chama damta sa me chia chama Bartolomeo ba me chia two chairman awo one constituency chama Bartolomeo and chama damta nyame ya na say court need take decision we are na fe hunu who is the chairman of the constituency
after embra yensem so
better thank you very much for your question
na napoku PSC
general manager
David
me say Ghana Education Service wo ho me dwena mo ho amentiase yo
yeah adentra
mentiase
no look men say asem you kan ye o say centers no bi wo ho especially private schools no dodo na no ye do mo so schools public schools ne so mo tworo enti we no akoye omohu bibisa say bibi betumi esisa enti na omo resist red light red flag no amom obi ada no ho so
ma abofie mfa de ne ntoso na menkyere word bi a wo mu ayusu ye medase bajo dwani me Facebook na ha de na Ghana Education Service for krata mo de beto abonten no boss letter na wo de baaye no wo man state say investigation na wo ma ye o
yes I know o man ka say
no there is a difference between investigation and attention or see our attention has been drawn Woma yi asutire say nti ekere say yesusu say
yeah
the said school so no womo awia eye ensohwem
due to abia benchmark due to last year almost set last year as a benchmark and omo hu say bi wo ho na me demi susu no abia because omo fiti ho ambe kanesa abia omo wo ye ade bia omo da so say bia last year no due to say na nkwara no ye twa bi mu exam sim bi mu su twa ye copy work by na yes anwoma no aha nti na omo susu say
osusu say wasusu awie no wadwen ne sen general manager yete ha na Ghana Police Service for the krata brain say
yeah
yate say our attention has been drawn say armed robbers ebeba Sunyani brekum kwantim pa no so and nti ayakoma so nsu atre ayi Munya very careful.
Yeah.
Abra yashe da ma utuo ama wakade a yama wo duty say your duty is to protect life and what property. Apprehend suspected criminals. Nto wo be catch me ntosi ni na ote ukoda dwam ho say what say bibi say si wonti yamfa ntosi nkonko yamfa ntosi nko ma Roberts na na.
Nti wo oral lukmen sa na pe o ka say wan convince wana.
Ultimately convincing me that because if you go to the Ghana Education Service, Bozo, you are director in charge of monitoring, evaluation, examination, and examination more practices. Director or Dano.
Yeah.
Your money bungalow. So if you have Ghana Education Service, you are monitoring and evaluation car. Your mom being called you to pick up. And Director General no or you su car sakesiye. And the Jumani say, what Jumani say, as I say, we make sure said. I say, make sure you are subordinates and your people work to meet the objectives of Ghana Education Service. But they are making kind of a Ghana Education Service monitoring and evaluation. Director of Media Jumana Maun, woman say, what Jumana say, make sure say woman shawasin, he for a shawasi, woman shawasino, a Ghana Education Service, district directors, district directors, no so, invigilators, eshawasi. Why can phone a training woman, but still woman the GES. Supervisors, one more internal auditors, no more external auditors. Woman in Ghana Education Service, do my for. And ya ne, say, ya said that you are Cassa, we invigilator. Ya do work with training, why can farm scam, or markers ya be scam. And I want to oversight responsibility. I am Ghana Education Service director in charge of monitoring. What I say, not so what me up to monitor. One who say, schools back me and me and some way. One bokronoa. Is that the first time? They are original who say one bokrono.
Or should you say, a year, we are mercury. Or man, remember
bokrono. And who to say, someone here, we on Babetron, now go on so much, one bokrono. But on yes, sir. Dear now, original criteria ben original. Investigation ben away, research ben away, findings ben away, and a solution ben and a warrior dear kettles, Sania Mano. But what I say, solution ben. And the Ukachayan trata say Nesia Bozo Osha Ghana Education Service Oya WAEC rules and regulations by the council. Also West African Examination Council Accra rules and regulations for dealing with cases of irregularity at the council examination effective. Also bringing in foreign materials. Where a candidate is found in examination hall with note, textbooks, prepared materials, or any other printed material, the candidate entire results in the examination shall be withheld pending cancellation of the results subject involved by examination committee of the Ghana Education Service. Majome woman am troye. Yeni education committee. Yeni council for the near your board chairman on the down. 2, your irregular activities inside or outside examination hall. Pacha obi na hwewe so samra we no ye de ama invigilator. Invigilator no so obi na hye obi ase. The hye obi ase so hye Ghana Education Service ase. WAEC is an entity of itself. A okita na duma ye for nti ukọ assembly dada no ho wa botano so ho na. Ye wo WAEC for office mebo a. Yeni staff ho. Yeni director in charge on the papers in Kwaso. Your director in charge of invigilators in Naso. And a young man Mraway. Yamasa and Mraway Egua. Or see irregular activities inside or outside examination hall. Also where a candidate is apprehended for offense such as those listed below inside or outside examination hall, the candidate's results in the entire examination shall be withheld pending cancellation of the entire results by corporate committee of the council. What I say. Conclusion: where a candidate is caught during the examination passing note for help from other candidates, receiving or giving assistance, talking or consulting any manner which another candidate or entire results of the candidate involves shall be withheld. Impersonation: where a person is caught impersonating a candidate, he or she may be handed over to the police to the police for prosecution. Leakage: where cases of leakage are established at the center, the entire results of the candidate offering the subject involved in the center shall be withheld. Mass cheating: where more than half of candidates for the subject at the center no boss no. Center na Lukman boss no. So as center no, it me the private phone be coach
the private ni private schools ni be ho center. Better. Into we do so public schools no macho.
Afi odena koso we no. Tiemra or the school ni no. Your friend mass cheating, where more than half of candidates for subjects at the center are involved in collusion or other form of examination malpractices. This shall be regarded as mass cheating, where the invigilator who works for Ghana Education Service supervises and controls the candidate to prevent mass cheating. Did I write this? Me try. Ghana Education Service na mo try. Nti invigilator na ote ho na WAEC fotia ne ka no wadwuma ne say make sure sa kwada no omfa foreign material enwuram nti wo hwe na yan han na the foreign material ewuram a wo why ade a your friend contributory negligent
na when nyina no ade a ye nyina ye boa ye society no dey nti na invigilators ne bi ama adwuma na yɛ de ama ɛyɛ GS ɛne wayek
because GS supervisors now supervise invigilators and some of them are lazy like this massa anti nura me example
chire de ntina o choose ebu wo hana na ne wo ba koye the budget be to ho but enkwara ni bi etumi ka se o boy say ene de ayeje bibi kakra nti ene de so oboai ampa nso
aha and boss
de na wayek nye bim de na GS nye bi because it's uncle na anana lukumesa kana anapay say ebi wo ho na ne say yeah wa oye good at English or maths say okoye invigilation a ye mfa wo nko baby a eye okosu baby a wo master no ebi atwi fo na edi omo ya ana say bi a science fo bi a aha na the science ebi a ye master
boss jaka ye nkwasem
asana kan
ye childish talk
arna akasa ye fan say abofke enim eye ICT na e tro ICT na ya be for wa IT level wo for me na e wa ko so ko vigilator e dey ama anako invigilation e dey ama ICT fo a e dey yan na akwa be cho say dey ne mouse a hu mouse no
me ye French e wo primary me ye French e wo JHS me ye French e wo university da me ye example a kire wo enti so we catch them after specialization communication and management. Into one who say communication and answer social studies. We have book one who say me good social studies. Into where you may free ho. What I say almost French. And I was make French so. Unim some my French da.
No, but why a friend and then say o krata na o de abano. We certificate at the chiradi and say yes who IT IT specialist.
But I have small in-depth in French. Of which me level now be investing. Let me the abua secondary school because minim the chance.
Say na what can I say? Kasa dey no be to me vigilante wo Ghana.
That is it. Inti asa wo the property say wo dey wo kan enkwada asem because manager when I catch you go university her courses do obeye. Wo hwe courses do obeye ansa na wanya wo level no afi wa ba be kira de. Na wo catch me say me kira English. There's almost social studies. Social studies for Monko a for so. I'm going university, me economics now.
Na ana na won to a school for any honest ne for dance o pressure na e wo de GS any why for. Na
ayi obi abo obi pa. Won na wakwaje director of education. And wakwaje director in charge of monitoring and evaluation regional boss.
Every to ben so na dem schools ni nkwara na omo twa exams na.
Me de ba bia ni padu mienu bia share Judas wo ho. Enti as I said, you make sure say we prevent Judas. Yeah, you be to one on prevent Judas. And this I won't prevent Judas. Judas there on nam so no about be di bone.
Into the NSA director general on the car ne ye logistics ye dia mano. So fanye adwuma no. On hwe so fanye adwuma nti umblemu
plan bro mra na de ha ne say mra ni ni o. O say think outside the box. Enti wa hu sem kura liki no. And now I'm transfer hene bozo ka obe ka kire say afa de me di proposal mpakoma Ghana Education Service Ministry of Education say enkra ne transfer hwe bia 1 yemma police and 2 wo dress code kra no e bia say 3 yem provide e bia CCTV camera. What I say bring a strategic management to curtail the problem. Now be try letter the command a friend is saying a friend is saying nchara secondary school would be command Sunyani business secondary school would come Breku secondary school say our attention has been drawn some time how the letter no cross time kra no yes sound so trends of it nti ye trends of here would select na kwa koma san kra ne headmaster for no nti dear measures now they to just say yenja pour the ball but what I say say one hunu a dear na wo ya e be ja pour ne ball eno ne ye me problem no and you can no one fashion and to one mechanism one here the same crane the same vigilators now we see your attention has been drawn the same vigilators na kwako invigilators ankorano the same internal auditors the same external auditors the same examiners no kwako mark after so much we no nti na uhuru ya na so bai
enti GS we see so person omo ye den musaw
the ambassador me say
omo ye
te ha no na tera one media bai. And okay, when I catch it and another don't go for say on for CCTV cameras me Ghana nyina. When I catch it no because na do adwene hu say criminality no e koso. Police for esha. Nti ma me dwene technologically. And so the CCTV camera, but want to see America saying, Oko regional department crime, CCTV camera, no, I record nipa more than 200. One more, I some offenses. Be me cry, I don't walk court. What I say, a chess and another thought wise. He thought outside the box, he thought technologically. Until another ban also, Matisse nowadays in Crawford, we are Monema or Ghana Henya, and the Ghana for Mona Mamuham Huye. Why? Way 7 previous, Fasobena also. But on who say a police force, I report to bar say crime a cost or man Ghana no. A police force there and technologically, Mamunko for some man and Meboma man for now to Abama. So the GS should think outside the box and bring a mechanism out to prevent examination more practices.
Accepted. A football ban at the most schools in a year in Quarano, which one's so head so.
So free HMia. Now could you away?
Oh, the other day, this I says a year Ghana Education Service for any year almost said the idea. Only I just so to. Now, granted, yeah, oh, yeah, no, Bocrono. Bozo, oh, yeah, dang, cranny Bocrono. But, sir, or court. No one says somebody CCTV camera, Baba Boho. 2 says a police for general. 3 says, say, you much change your uniform, says, oh, bar, share straight dress. 4 ebia wo ba say ye be yo search na search ne kura no a mechanical way, electronic way of searching you. Oh boss u kwa brochire no ya search wo ye duru de say rowura obotom ye the machine ya quick that dey show ho na hu say that dey show ho paper show ho na nka paper no so detect hu say there is a paper in your pocket, there is a paper in your pocket. Technologically no man hu say mu nyini, you are growing. Now, I type writing we want to learn more to let our attention has been drawn. Well, Massa, one moon jadi or monkey cannon or moon year. One moon penny. But in some man, I pay look mensa cayeno. Oh, in the say, opinion, a kind of crutch for.
O kind of crab and for. Me made me Bako Quasi Secondary School, but in Bako, a Sunyani Business Secondary School. Bakutra last year. Wa pass Oko University or Connection Training Oko Poly and announced Technical University. Nasa me na me be actually bi wo Sunyani Business near high school a dey fear and panic na me parents no dey atomitrim. 2 Woma tertiary institutions on your headmasters. So big it as a certificate next year. No the course Sunyani Technical University, Brekum Nursing Training College, Sunyani Nursing Training College. Principal who na Kwasi Secondary School, Star Business Secondary School. What comes to the principal's mind? Me mefa school ya modi apo mo fa mutire me mefa na chenam o metwere nursing training college na nkore ne kobusa ukoku nipa ya kwa se o twere wa ha me mfa wo you are tarnishing the image. Why didn't you write the letter personally to the school authorities massa say they ate wo muhumunie say ni ntimunya very careful na the mechanism be the air but mo hwe na say the bar mo nka say bia say satan ya ma mo letter
but na mean because ana pay me say kebusa ora look means say more the letters na koi but na look means nansa na no dey my as o ye sure na BSc pe na ye hu say ya ye hu say but no to me emphatic.
Until boss next year, leakage and so Ghana.
To me, nka say ye ni omoshia because I don't think say because we say no omoshia or say no because to me nka say no.
But secondary schools no kura bokro no nanka sanka say bokro no omu di ni krata enum. I'm telling you, secondary schools no bokro no omu di ni krata enum.
Woni mo.
Yes.
Osusu say omu bokro.
Mi susu say omu bokro no omu di ni krata enum. What I say? Ye ni first grade schools wa Ghana ha. Na what second, na what third. What I say? E dey na mo di abai. Ede na modi abai so wa hu ne se bibi koso wo ha no wana sa we kan trasa wa be kan trasa nti wa kan trasa no se awofo no momma e be kosa ko ase ne bono secondary schools ahodo a mo boboye no nti what should be our fate next year
nti u de osusu se o mu go schools na na
wo no me ya lawyer de ma some of the schools na kama sue Ghana Education Service kra se me meti mi suku na Star Business Senior High School hwe braba brand sana manager mami fa we ntware mu say nti Ghana Education Service person mo ka kire me say attendance in classroom is not part of education mbajo nka ho akora nko classroom ko sua de a atola bia mo ntimi man kora bi suspense say what register your tifie nti GS for nim say some remedial schools bu ho ha they just register the candidate go home stay home when the time comes come and write wo mo nim. And Umunisa Ghana Education Service and Mrana Channel say be in the class with the teacher on 2 sides in the bedroom unless on condition ebi awo yare meboa.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
But I correct me register. Schools be register. Nkura 800, 500, 700. No mutifie. Bi nkura wo. Bi ni mo nyem. Koba ku ni aba na ko he.
Yeah, sorry.
Bi mo nyem.
Yeah, sorry.
Na wo na tire fie aboso me nso. Oba ba twere awie no. Afa na wo to office wa kwatwere say our attention has been drawn. Na or register ya otifie no second supervisor. Did you go to the secondary school no say registered nkura na wo candidate 800 no they come to school, they come to class or they do what?